Yo, it's Skills, and I'm going to be showing you how to get macro without jailbreak. This is a little bit tricky, but just keep trying, you'll get it eventually. I got it on the first try, but yeah. So the speed of the macro is pretty much the same speed as rapid fire tap for jailbroken users. So if you know what that is, yeah. So you want to go into settings, and then you want to go into accessibility in general. So general accessibility. Then you want to scroll down and you find switch control. But before you do that, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and go accessibility shortcut. And then you want to make sure that's on switch control. Only switch control. And now you want to scroll up, back to switch control. And first thing you want to do in switch control is go recipes, delete them all. Okay? And now you want to turn switch control on. Now it'll pop up with the thing on your screen saying, do you understand switch control does all this gay shit? Yeah, look, it says it right here. You need to click OK. If you don't click OK, then when you're doing it, it's going to pop up every time and your macro won't work because you can't click OK. So yeah, just do that. Anyway. Alright. Now once you've done that, you want to go into switches, add new switch. You want to go screen, full screen. You want to find tap and just select that and then go all the way back. So once you've gone back, you want to go into recipes. You want to go create new recipe. You want to go assign switch, full screen, custom gesture. Now here's the tricky part, alright? Now if you really can't get it to work, you can tap there and that'll auto tap, but it won't be very fast. So that's auto tap. But if you want it fast, you're gonna have to use your lips. I know it sounds fucked up and shit, but trust me, I thought it was fucked up, and then I just did it for a little recording and it worked awesome. So what you're gonna want to do is go into Agario and just practice for 10 minutes or so, just going right on your feed button with like your chin on the corner of your iPad, and just go, and just as soon as you've got it so it feeds a couple pellets or whatever, that's good enough, and come back to this and just get a custom recipe, get it going, and try and get it like on the spot. So I think I got it just then. So you only have to do a couple like little things. So you don't actually need to know how to lip feed. You just need to make out with your screen a little bit. And yeah. Because you just do it anywhere really in that corner with your lips and it'll record it properly. Like it's hard to do in Agario, but I found when I made the recording I got it done first try. So yeah, I wasn't finished in the settings, my bad. So after you recorded that macro, you want to rename it. I want to name it lips because it's a lip feed. And you want to go back. You want to go launch recipe. You want to select lips. Go back again. Now you want to find auto scanning time and turn that down as low as possible. Because yeah, if it's got to scan the screen, you want to do it fast, not ages. And I just use one loop. But yeah, you can play around with that. I turned it up to 10 and I didn't see much difference, so I like to leave that at 1. It shows fastest, like, you know. Alright, and these are all my settings if you want to have a look. Alright, so now once you got that set up, remember you have to have that accessibility shortcut here, switch control. Now when you triple tap your home button, I double tapped. When you triple tap, it'll pop up with this other mode, and that'll be like macro mode. Here we go. And see, now when I tap, it macros there. So let's go into Agario and I'll show it to you. I'll just let it load up. I was surprised I got it first try, but that's what I mean. It's pretty easy. You just go with your lips in the corner of your fucking iPad in that record mode, and dead set it works. Like I tried to do it in Agario. I cannot lip feed at all in Agario, but I just went in that settings record, and it worked. It sucks out, it pops up with that, but yeah. See, macro.